Hey guys, Huda here from the dotcomgal.com, and today I'm back with a new video and I will show you how to make money writing. So how to make money writing. A lot of people have good writing skills, but unfortunately they cannot actually find gigs where they can monetize their skills. So in this video, I will show you a couple of places that you can go to and find gigs for writing. Some of them can be full-time gigs and some of them can be part-time gigs. And the choice is yours basically, because you'll find different clients asking for different things. So the first thing I want to talk about is how to write articles. Writing articles and blog posts is the first thing that people do when they want to start writing for money, because it's the easiest way to actually make money instead of writing a book or writing fiction or something like that. So my favorite place to look for gigs for writing articles and blogs is the ProBlogger job board. So all you need to do basically is to head over to ProBlogger.com/jobs, and here you will find a list of different types of jobs for writing. Some of them are contracts, some of them are one-time things, some of them are seasonal. It all depends on what the clients are looking for. And some of them are looking for people in specific places, like as you can see in this example here, they're looking for people in Tel Aviv. Here they're looking for people in the US, but most of the gigs are looking for people anywhere. They're looking for remote writers. And the other thing that I like about ProBlogger is that actually you can find writing gigs in pretty much any niche. So like you see here, technology. This is a freelance writing gig for different types of things. Sometimes you find a client that looks for different types of niches, all right? Android and iPhone writer, basketball. What do we have here? Email outreacher. Like if you're good at copy and good at writing outreach emails, this is a good thing for you. Motion control, packaging, business formation. I mean, there are different niches, all right? So let's open one of these and have a look. So they're looking for a technology writer or writers. Sometimes they're looking for one person, sometimes they're looking for more than one person. And here you'll find basically a description of what they're looking for, what they expect from you, how many articles they want per week or per month. So for example, here they're writing, they said like, can you write 20 or more articles a month? And in the description, you can also find how much they're paying. So for example, here they pay 6 cents per word, which is a bit low because like the standard would be like 10 cents per word, but this will depend on you and where you live and what you expect, like what you expect to get paid, all right? So again, like this is free and applying for these jobs is free. The only people who have to pay for this are the people who actually post the jobs. So this is a great place to get started if you want to look for gigs writing blog posts and articles. Okay, there are others, but I'm just sharing my favorite one. Now next, how to make money writing a blog. So how can you make money writing a blog, right? This is an example of actually writing blog posts, but not for clients, for yourself. So if you start your own blog and you want to make money with it, you can actually make money writing that blog. So what you do is you write different articles on your blogs, different blog posts or articles on your blog, and you monetize that content. So there are many ways to monetize your content. You can do it with native ads like Google Ads or AdWords. Yeah, I think they're called Google Ads now. Or you can monetize it with affiliate offers, CPA offers, your own product, different ways to monetize your blog. The thing about writing a blog and getting paid for it is it's not as fast as actually looking for a gig. When you find a gig and you get the gig, you will start getting paid as soon as you start producing the work, right? But with a blog, it takes a long time because you need to build it up, build the traffic, promote your content, etc., etc. So, but it is another way to make money writing. So basically you're writing content and you get money when people buy offers from you, when people buy your product, when people click on the ads that you're promoting, and so forth. All right. The third way to get paid writing is basically to get paid to write a book. I know that you're thinking that writing a book is such a huge burden. And I do understand that, because you want to think about a publishing house, you have to invest a lot of money in printing and shipping and everything like that. But right now there is a tool that you can use. Actually, there are quite a few platforms that you can use that you don't have to worry about that at all. All you need to do is write your work, write your book, and upload it to those platforms, and they basically take care of the printing and the shipping. All you need to do is upload a PDF. And one of these platforms, which is actually the most popular one, is Amazon. Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, is a platform where you can upload your books, and whenever somebody buys them, Amazon takes care of printing and shipping. So all you need to do is sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. I do have an account in KDP, and then you basically create. You will click on create. Once you have your manuscript in PDF format, then you will go to paperback or hardcover. I'm not sure if you're aware, but KDP is pretty hot right now. A lot of people are making a lot of money with it, and they're not even writing books. They are actually selling what is called low content and no content books. Basically what that means is books that have very little or no content, such as coloring books, puzzle books, and so on. A lot of people are making so much money with that. The thing that I don't like about Amazon is that the profit margin is very, very, very little. So if you sell a lot and you have a lot of books, you can make quite a decent amount of money. So it's just a thing to think about. The other two ways to make money writing are writing fiction and writing poetry. I have actually written a full blog post about this topic, as you can see here on my screen. I'm leaving a link to that below so you can check out all the details. So here I've actually put some websites that accept short stories or fiction. If you are into science fiction, there are a lot of places where you can sell your work, and they don't ask for big or long stories. I mean, it's a maximum of 3,000 to 5,000 words. The pay will depend on the site. Like, for example, the first one pays like 12 cents per word. This one pays 10 cents per word. Here they pay between 8 and 10. So it depends on you and what you're looking for, what you think you will accept as a payment, and so on. Poetry, again, is the same thing. Some places pay you like $300 per poem. Others pay you like $15 per poem. So if you're a poet, if you like writing poetry, make sure to check these out, because you may make some money out of it. But one thing to keep in mind when writing fiction or writing poetry is that you're not going to get paid for everything that you submit. You only get paid for what they decide to accept to submit on their website. So you could submit like 10 poems or 10 fictions, and then they would just accept one to publish, so you will just get paid for that one that they accepted. So basically this is it. These are some places that you can go to if you want to make money writing. Of course, these are not all the ways that you can make money writing. There are other ways, and as I do some more research, I will share with you whatever I find. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I am starting a video series about how to make money online with little to no investment, doing different types of gigs. So if you are interested in learning about different ways to make money online, please subscribe and press the bell button so you're notified every time I publish something new. Like this video and share it if you find it interesting and useful, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And also check out my other videos on my left if you are interested in those topics. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and also please follow me on Pinterest. You'll find my username below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.